Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 91 Geo Tracker, four-wheel drive. We'll show you just a few imperfections, but not many for its age. A few little rock chips from out driving around in the South Dakota roads. But a two-owner truck, got good tread on the tires. You can see the four-wheel drive. There's probably the biggest two chips right there. There's another small one right there, edge of the door. Nice original truck, comes with two tops, currently has a black one on it. Also comes with a white one. 43,609 is the miles, and that's actual. I don't have signed statements, but these people bought it from the previous owner, so they said it is actual miles. Automatic four-wheel drive air. The air blows cold. I personally know the people who had this. Take good care of their stuff. Used to be a car dealer friend of mine. Actually, the guy who got me into the car business. So, good guy. Just retired and just doesn't need it anymore. So he traded it for a sedan. So, but nice little rig. Looks good. Take the top off. Have some fun. Little 1.5 4-cylinder in it. It's nice and clean, and few little rock chips is all you see on it. So not many of these around, especially with 40,000 miles. So very nice shape. Definitely a neat little runaround buggy. So like I said, if you need something four-wheel drive, want to cruise around in the hills or the mountains, out on the prairie, this is way cheaper than a side-by-side and a lot cooler. So give me a call, 605-695-7391.